Yeah, nous là, hey, c'est Lilier. Hey, you already know, man, it's my sister graduation day, you know? Hey. We gotta stay in the club. We have to go outside for better lighting. Woo! Hey, man. I got some Wazer band right here, so don't worry about that. I'm just excited, man. You know, they're graduating, so.
That's good quality.
Yes, you already know that's HD. We finna go to Berry Center, man. That's where they're gonna.
This is America.
Yeah.
No. We take the video. Oh, my first one. Let me get out the video.
Yeah, man. We finna head to the Berry Center.
Take one of my phone. Now.
Okay. Hey, you see those faces, man? Look at that, man. Look at those faces, dog. Like, you see, shout out to Wolf, man. She did a great job, man. She did a great job. And then shout out to Angeline. Oh yes! Yo, she did the face really good, man. If you need some info, man, you know, I will, you know, just contact me, man. And take a look at those beautiful faces again, dog. Ooh, we look like twins. hey, Mary. Ooh. Hey, you see what's going on, man? We finna go to Berry Center, man, with my boy at Hawaii, and you already know. Yeah, boy. Man, I look good, huh? I look good. Ooh. Gold chain, gold watch you. See? Oh, man, I feel for nous. Hey, this is for us, man. You see the airplane right here? They're coming together. And you already know, man.
Sister graduation, you already know.
Ooh, I look good, bro. Ooh, shit. Hey, Trump. I heard you were in Houston. How can you get stop at my house? Oh, okay. Yo, I'm talking to Trump, man. You wanna say something to Trump?
Tell Trump I say shut the fuck up.
Hey, he said shut the fuck up. Alright, see you later. Yeah, man. So we finna go to Berry Center, man, for my sister graduation. So you know, it's a big day for them, man. We gotta go out and, you know, enjoy this big day with them and stuff. So I'm with my bro, DJ Topley. So yeah, y'all already know, man. Yo, we on our way, man. So I'm with my boy. You already know, man. Hey, it's gonna be crazy. That thing's gonna be crazy. No, babe. Yeah. Do I look good or not, man? Let me know. Comment below, man. This dude think he looks better than me, so what you think?
Come on, man.
This dude say he got gold chain. They show them, hey!
Even the camera is telling the truth, man. They focusing on me.
Oh shit, man. Bro.
Look at me, bro.
Gold
the camera
chain.
focusing on me, bro.
Gold watch. And then, you know, everything is gold.
Get my drink on and blame it on the alcohol. So please, ladies, don't you hold on to this.
We here. Yeah, baby. Look at them,
Just like we like it. Just like we like it. Anybody?
Okay. Congratulations, man. How about if you want to women? Come on. Congratulations, guys. Here.
Let me call my dad, Esther. Open your phone. Did my mom come? Yeah, but she's there. Open it. Let me call my dad. Yeah. What the heck? Let me take her picture. She's using my phone.
Blessing, you gotta bless the camera. Hey.
Thank you. Where's Sarah? Can you hold it?
Can't bake. Yeah, nous là, hey, c'est Juliet. Oh, Mary's so real, man, you know.
And
Step
so
up there, so, hey,
Man, you know they made it. They made it. Hey, mama, we made it. Mama, we made it. Hey. Yo, you already know, man. I'm proud of them, you know. So, congratulations. And the other one is back there, you know. And then Sarah, you next. She said in 2000 never. We better bring that diploma home, girl. Hey, yo, you know, I look good, man. Shoot. I look good, man. Shit, I spent a lot of money to look good like that, man. Shit. Shout out to y'all, man. Y'all the real MVP. Shout out to y'all, alright?
1, 2, 3, congratulations!
I can't even see you in the back.
It's loud. Sit down.
Got all 10 toes and 10 fingers. I need to say this shit right here. Let's go. You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it into
5 hoops of ooh, baby. Let's take it to the hood so the people can see it, girl. Oh, yes, I mean, it's just the way you switch. And now I say it's the first time I had a girl who looks at me on fire. I'm really trying to get you back.
Here it goes! Hooray! I'm swinging! Hey! I don't know that nigga. Hey!